Hello and welcome to this first lecture on case studies of excellence in business analytics in this course, Master in Business Analytics. So in this section, we will share with you case studies of excellence in business analytics. And we will give you a quick overview of the three companies that we will talk about, right? Ready for that? Wonderful. So here are three global case studies showcasing excellence in business analytics, demonstrating how organizations like them have leveraged data analytics insight, data-driven insights to achieve remarkable outcomes. So let's quickly take a look at Amazon. What are the challenges that we are facing? Amazon needed to optimize its supply chain to manage millions of products and deliver them efficiently to customers worldwide. And using analytics, business analytics, they found the solution in implementing predictive analytics to forecast demand and optimize inventory levels. They use machine learning algorithms. They analyze customer purchasing behavior, seasonal trends, and regional demands to improve warehousing operations and reduce delivery times. And as a result of that, they reduced inventory holding costs by over 20%, improved the delivery times through prime programs, and enhancing customer satisfaction, maintain a fulfillment rate, accuracy rate of 99.9%. And that set a benchmark for e-commerce logistics. So the key takeaway that we have from Amazon is that the predictive analytics can revolutionize supply chain efficiencies and can enable businesses to meet customer demands effectively while minimizing costs. The second one we look at quickly is the Netflix. The Netflix needed to increase their user engagement and retention by recommending content tailored to individual preferences. And as a solution, they utilize business analytics and machine learning to develop a sophisticated recommendation engine. By analyzing user viewing habits, ratings, search queries, and time spent on specific shows, the algorithm personalized content suggestions for each user. And as a result of that, 80% of the content watched on Netflix is driven by recommendations. That has increased customer retention rate, reducing churn rate by 5 to 10% annually. It has enhanced the viewer satisfaction, leading to a global subscriber base of over 230 million in 2024. So, what are the key takeaways? Uh, Personalization powered by analytics fosters customer loyalty and significantly impacts the business growth. The third we will look at is the Walmart. Now, wanted to improve its operational efficiencies and decision making in real time across its thousands of stores. So, see the complexity thousands of stores in real time. And how could they do that? They developed a data cafe, a state of art analytics hub, which integrates data from multiple sources, including point of sale systems, social media, weather reports, and supplier databases. Analysts use this platform to solve complex business problems within hours, not days. And as a result of that, they have reduced out of stock items by 30%, and that has ensured better inventory management, increased sales by analyzing customer purchasing behavior and optimizing product placement, enhanced decision making speed, solving urgent business issues in 20 minutes on an average. So, what are the key takeaways? The key takeaways are that real time analytics empowers businesses to respond quickly to market changes, and that improves efficiency and customer satisfaction. So, what are the key lessons learned from these three studies? Uh, Amazon case shows how predict forecasting can optimize operations and cut costs. Netflix highlights the role of data in creating tailored customer experiences, and Walmart demonstrates the importance of speed and agility in using analytics. And these examples underline how business analytics, when implemented strategically, can lead to transformative outcomes. So, what do we do next? So in the next one, we will start looking at these case studies. From this next one, we will start looking at these case studies in a lot more detail, and we will start with Amazon first. So thank you so much for watching this first case study of excellence lecture in this course, Master in Business Analytics. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that is of specific interest to you.